Apostle, and na me day. You. But they had that, Mrs. Asimame. Dana Simame. No. Debbie. Tie. On say, edu baby mama, tenase. Edu baby on. Obi to make us say, aden afena. Aden afena wato dum. I have people who call me bi wa and na on fan animo ma aden na oguso na kakra bia no post. The journey has not been easy. It has not been easy. No, it's not okay.
So one wako faba.
Apostle. 18 years. In fact, bro, 18. In fact, 19 years. And you then you want to talk some? No problem. I will let you talk some. And ne papa, eba trouble. No, this is something people don't know, and sometimes I need to.
They don't need to know.
No. Let me, Mamenka, at least, ebeboa.
Yes.
I check. Na me ton. In fact, me we secondary school. Me try pictures kakra. Me yejuma or com center kakra. And I'm papa. Me nene kasa sisi. Oma miskana fe me shas. In fact, hona misua Sante kasa. Me shas ton force. Na me kambono. Na ufri brekum ebedru kumase na okabono no a ehunu se ufri achi nti bill no price no ebekọ soro nti ese for so can Sante say be ya you belong ye hu say ufri outside na eba nti that is when me shas esua Sante kasa ene me dia Sante kasa ye adwuma na bono na meka me ton broni wawu e wodrobo na posifo bi aba ho say na operation na omo yo whatever nti posi ni ba ko siye na ose opekube kube na auto no baby no obenya bi no guy na say aka last one no obi nso to ba me hwe no me hu say no oyo obi a butumu say opekube no pa na bi say ne say o ma me nto bi wa hamre no say o na ne twi nya papa ka brofo na fe ka ne twi ne broken na me koy na me koto kube na me de bre no ti me de bre no na o say aha na me te na me say o da bi brekum no say de me ye na ye ne fe oye penny pa say no yini ID card and the mommy. No say na aha na mpese me wo na me say o pese me to am school so. No say enti na me enti ne tintin tietie mu no o ma me ne card e no free ho bank ran ti ye hyase eye ayonko ofre me ebi wo ho na wa send me sika me papa etie me na e bi ane na obehu because ebi wo ho a ya ma me sika no me say akwaji bi wo no nso ho bad boy enti na mi say na say na me yakora boni ana bi wa na me dia tonchinam ne tea bread na me dia shem na my and through that I'm telling something me ne miracle papa be yes in fact of farm se ne ba training college days no send me sika no o mekani nyina I will say it like oboa me farm se ne ba those days training college me kai me mate ba kwa friend be di akon wotema enti na me man kran da e na o ka se o ba tema ne papa ho e na me si o meba bi no se o ye deeper life fo ba unya TV bi anhwe na me si o those days na deeper life on TV e na me ne ba e na e ko Ch0p enti ba bi a hye na me se achale na ha se unhwe TV ba unya computer ye wo TV card bi wo ho utumi hyem utumi ahwe TV ni bi no se o ye enti wona me kai ye se ma bedun kran na me mfre
you know officer
miracle papa officers that time there sana me nyanhia ayikwa ena me friend no say oh wabedun kran there ena obehia me enti through that ena me di hu ne ba miracle enti like obi a oboa o school mu o hwe wo ne ade me hu na
susu mo
one count can quite fast
there be in fact the we and say apostle yin saint pm
be by
so it's been that far.
Wow.
And the father felt betrayed. Say obia me boawo me hear all these things for you, and then I bring you close, and then my only daughter, ne baba kope, my only daughter, you come and put her this way. That was the statement. And ne will ye dupa. Me come and oh yes, dear me ye and dear my ye, but a chain or betty massy. There be a ye. But the American in Nano, you want me to go step by step, yeah. Oh, there be that time, dear condom. I said, man, shut that. What should that plan is? What should that plan is? Oh, yeah, and out of condom. What should that plan is? Oh, yeah, and out of condom. Now, emergency, dear, and talk condom. Emergency and talk condom. And see, echo ye, yeah. One yem, my yama from with ye, yes, it da. And one day, and menini di nkomo say chale this is ade we dey akọ still me dey oh I say me father enya aka say no or yes very strong willed person or ka say no you know. So I was advised say obi a wonyem for you yes akora no enye yem pene ma wo no whatever, but find a way and go and do something traditionally. Enti menene nana edi nkomo. And an advisor say it is the right thing because debi akrano ebe papa whatever the case is, whether say ebe kwa kosi sense ebe kwa kosi sense, the child will look for the father. Now me say no, apart from just introducing myself, no me person me sign yet no or directly me to miracle uncle na me ko hu no e no kire me mento we na me toy na me de koy, and I went to do that. At that time, a woman, I feel still, so no, can I say a pemiachimino because a do baby no still me many a brick diggy. And a papa no society man no pa me kokai and uhu a juma na oye officers so the only child unto me and conco yenisa until na mecho yabum, so I had to flee kakra. But I saw still not do me. Apart from me don't not because she still had a way of reaching me. This is what is happening. You're careful now. Frame me. Oh, frame me. No problem. Oh, no, I need to. Oh, frame me. You bet you. And now me go off. But time on so here. Time on so here. Let me along the line. Tia semi you. Afi makoye juma be kuma be do Fox FM. And I father say na brabe ye juma on one cran. Na me say Fox. And I don't know how a lobby here with Afro Capitola. Many tea mena ye de me aba and cry Hot FM. And I'm by ye juma Hot FM. Tine father and a lobby ye ma me ba Hot FM. That time no. Oh, I feel no janto kwako. Or say ne bane de never but on no fee say yes. And na me buy. Me baby a ho bedwu ni. Me wo Hot FM ye adwuma. And I don't have to go so detailed, but another lady came my way as to what the mama go through too much. Yeah. But what happened, they say, me say konyim obi. Hey! No, I need to. The fact is, and now me day. Let me. I say, Apostle Pacho. Me nye no tie. Yenti America no. And I catch a miracle, Charlie. I feel my shep brana se won cry. Wona wo boa me kakra because I don't even have money to do a lot of things. Wo and now sign boa me. The akobani. Many will be anyim. No, say a new for as some kind of say a new for ta. Me papa no so one penintisa banisa. Oh, me ho crap. And on one sign mammy sika because I needed to go and do introduction that time. Oh, miracle na mammy sika because oba wanyem ye nye ne ho ade. Oh, and I me sign the call ye. Yakoye or say at least what the Yawakrani via that time not neba even in a bar 2 years 3 months.
Oh,
I went there. No, more yeah, chaso. Oh, you guys allow Kofi today. It's his day. Allow me. The client no beba. Message from Kwekutin. GM Fabra. What the Fabra we na men trust. The fast track of it. You see, sometimes your cousin is the miracle. I say that is her name, and she really didn't make us a monanasino. Dear Maye, still, in fact, at a point, no crowd, nema bema for me akruya. Said they said no, there is no way. Bema no sorry, no professor Namit in office. Nami the pictures of traditional way me hanesa 1 month na be manager no. Nami san farmer. Yes. Nami guno. Nami yes. No, it's not been easy, Apostle. So me say me bien nyina. At the point me say rent danya met them those days. Radio adwuma say me Jessica won na me dey rent na me ni oba for team. Me Jessica to the point say I do baby na say aden. And on one estate company, the Max Estate. And on your Mokodi in Commerce, Pedan say. Yes. Me what Adoma FM na the Max for by so more into real estate now, or more and say a dime be or motor. Now, I say, na salary. What I say, Adoma FM say, and I make you meet me. Almost you. The woman who directed us here has already paid half of a house for you to complete the rest. Namiraka who estate company no half of the amount. I said Nasamo Mokane said, yeah, can say you need to pay to this point before and son wait me move in. And Tessa yeah move in. It's a long story what she has done. Aside me no apostle. Na me go so dim kwasi asemo. Some the birthday I said say she's the only person who has been able to tolerate my nonsense. And Obin Tiasie. Oh, Nama call UK, Nama call you Mobi or Nam now. I'm in all that she's aware. Near Kokuma say Nana se Kofi Chalega radio taste. Nana ya again and lie. Oh, no Marino. Miss Nana Yanigina. I went far. And she said, me kasana me de radiasina make a no bin tiasia. If I'm posting me 3 patch house, I said, oh, I'm posting a nim keke. And she will say no. Security wise. My uncle be a yamin shout, no far. Miracle. Say something. I said something. What has something to say? Something. I said, I said it also. Hey, Ekom. Oh, really? Hello, me. What do I have to say? I don't have much to say than to give all glory to God. And I mepe and etime and yanipanye. Se kanipa and kayintiminye. It gets to a time and not adding. But I mean, the only thing I'll say, I'm not saying to my husband, but I'm saying to we wives, some of us say we can do it. Our mothers did it. In fact, so we can do it. Just see him as that you're a stubborn child that, or you're stubborn, he doesn't want to listen. But they want to mean to the insurance, so because I haven't seen Nipa ball, I didn't Nipa Kotobo. So the only thing you can do is to see him as your first child, discipline him, punish him, and then cover him back. Because on also you'll be back. That is it. And so happy birthday, Mr. Adoma. I mean, shall I? No, you can see. If Bibi Biom or her Aka Christo, I will do ya on ye in farm mount. And you will pay. I'm wishing you from my son, Papa, and Junior. And I need you know. Me wa ba back be whatever, right? Also, you're UK, and so also see main country or then I mean sure.
So nkwala ni nyina se Kristo onye okese. Omaska bebre letimi ahwe omu nyina no mu nyina enya abrabo papa na dachi bi. Oma behwe nyame hira. Thank you. Nice.
Apostle. Now you understand. Okay, Nana Yao Xposed, God bless you, Mrs. Miracle Adoma. What's Kofi? This your small waist. This is what you used it for, eh? Nyami Adom, why? Nyami Adom. Jim.
Eti na chacha Kofi.
Jim. Mwasa tia pa aduane ana. Anti de wo TV si nkofo kodi ahye.
Eti Kofi na chacha say minumi enu nyina ya ton force pen.
Oh yeah. My story no. I think I need to have a show at Jerry Mobe Penese. I should go all out. You will understand.
Honestly, Kofi say Sanka
understand.
Sanka meti bibi say ya ho. Anke be pa one month be interview no channel ko maja but it's quite unfortunate. They are already here. Doctor ne see we so mbefro and you know.
Yeah.
And men cash because one man kasa be but me ho adwene me pa me kware ma sign. Won say me wo program bi wo Legon.
Yeah.
Kofi nyame Ch0p abati. One de wa famu na ehia kokoduro so we betimi aye ne waye ne no. Indeed na aye time Kofi jaka na won so president bia ma wonka and I think say we kasa wie no mate wase pa.
Yeah.
But you've gone a long way. Nyame Ch0p abati. Mishrem na ade ba ko a me ti Kofi Adoma wanwani no ye nyina Kofi kan news me kan news e wo peace Kofi wadom na de minim ne se ye nanfo em se o wa kira hu ni sa but ni dina wanwani no ade to no na menti ase kosi se me ne Kofi ehia angel ha no na me mete wanwani edin no mete na se pa ni dina no honam se sa woni Kofi ya adwuma wotimu se ni dini ene no honam se we ye newscaster ade ba ko anu ye mwanwa kora ne se bibia si na tokro bia beda ba bi na wohia se obi kwa feeling ntem no wo bo won sa no se no Kofi aduru ho wo bo won sa no se Kofi asem se wo be hu no aduru dada without asking question say identity me na wo se me koye wotumi ye bibia intrika football rank be ka se we utility player enti bro 102.9 dem so obi aka se nyame Ch0p but me jina asa many odi for many sofo but the customer ye adwuma nyame be Ch0p wate
Amen.
Na baby odo aduro no nu nwie this is just the beginning there can shopa wanim enti ye kotoa so edi papa say nyame Ch0p si wo se nyame Ch0p me jina adwuma ye for nyina namu na ya da wase ewo tunwacha honhom no adwuma edin such a hard working gentleman and send was a peja brandy say obi dum wa emfa